What's up, friends? Welcome to my channel and my first upload. In this video, I'll be outlining some of the goals of this channel, providing some background information on myself, and teasing the next few upcoming videos.
Make my heart beat super fast.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan Baradelli. For those of you that already know me, it's about time that I finally created a YouTube channel, and here it is. For the past few years, I've been spamming my Snapchat with a ton of electric skateboarding content and other awesome tech stuff. But now, most of that will be here on this channel. Along with this channel, I've created some social media accounts, and you can find the handles for those down in the description or on the screen. On my social media accounts for this channel, I'll be sharing progress updates on projects, some behind the scenes, and other cool tech stuff that I find interesting at the time. With that out of the way, what are my channel goals? First of all, I'd like to provide a comprehensive overview of my DIY projects. So whatever I'm working on, I'll go over the steps that it took to get there, the challenges that I encountered along the way, and what the final outcome was of the project. Along with that, I'd like to review new products, and some of those I'll be reviewing very soon. With that, I'd like to educate people who are interested in longboarding and other electric motion technology, and provide a platform for people to ask questions and learn more about one of my favorite hobbies. In each video, I'll start off with a summary of what to expect, what you're going to learn in the video, and provide a goal for the end of the video. The content that will be on this channel will depend heavily on exactly what project I'm working on at the time, but some of my first videos will be on some DIY kits and some product reviews for my current electric skateboarding project. I'm pretty excited to review a few of these products that I received. One of those is an electronic speed controller that should hopefully solve an overheating issue that I'm having on one of my current builds. Speaking of my current builds, I have a lot. I currently have 4 working longboard builds. One of them is a pre-built and 3 of them are DIYs. Along with all those that I built for myself, I've built a lot of boards for friends. So I have quite a lot of experience up to this point regarding electric longboards, and I'd love to share some of that with you. One of my first boards that I built was a board with a 3D printed enclosure and some pretty nice silver motors. The second board that I built is actually a really long project. I was working on it for almost 2 years, and it's kind of a combination of a bunch of parts from different pre-built boards. It's a 4-wheel drive hub motor board, and you can see the really long segmented enclosure that I designed and printed that is attached to that board. One of the other boards that I have built recently is my favorite one, and it's got some pretty cool red wheels on it right now, and you can see some of that in the B-roll as well. Some of the builds that I've done for friends vary from completely kit boards from places like DIY Electric Skateboard to completely custom setups where we build the enclosure, solder all the electronics together, and come up with the best components to use for the board. I think my favorite ones are the ones that are completely custom because I get to use my engineering background and problem-solving skills to figure out what the best way is to finish the board. Now, in 2020, the year that we'll always remember, I graduated from Cal Baptist University with a Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. And I'm really happy that I went through that experience. I made a lot of friends, and I learned a lot. But most of the electric skateboarding stuff that I know is from reading for hours and hours on the forum. I've spent a lot of hours there. During the time that I spent reading there, I came across a new vendor, and they wanted some people to review their products. So I reached out to them, and I was able to get an electric mountain board kit that I will be showcasing and putting together in the next upcoming videos. Another product that I recently got, as I mentioned before, is an electric speed controller, and I'm pretty excited to review that as well. And I'll be having an unboxing video and installation guide for that shortly. Now, I'm really excited to review these, and I've already started working on some of the design for the next upcoming project. Here's a few teasers for what that'll look like. There will be lots of great content coming up on this channel in the near future, and while I've been doing photography for over 10 years, videography is a little bit new to me. So if you have any constructive criticism or suggestions on video flow, lighting, or anything like that, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll read every comment. After this video uploads, I'll be working on figuring out an upload schedule and figuring out what the best course of action is for me to keep a consistent posting schedule. If you're interested in keeping up with me on my projects, you can follow my social media accounts, which you can find down in the description. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.